Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We're outside of Walmart to do our Ibotta haul for this week, and there's two bonuses that I'm going to be completing. One is the midweek moneymaker. Mine was $1 for 8 offers, and I only needed a few more offers to complete that. Then I'm going to be completing my March level 3 bonus, which is another $2 when you do 40 offers, but I only need 10 offers to be able to complete that bonus. So doing both of those bonuses together is going to make this haul amazing. I also just completed the Easter basket bonus, which was $3 for 2 offers. I completed that on Monday, so those offers track towards these bonuses as well, because with Ibotta, bonuses do stack. So one offer will track towards all of the bonuses you're working on, which is amazing. So I will go over the final cost and everything at the end of the video for you guys. But if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I post new deals, freebies, or giveaways, you'll be notified, you won't miss out, and you can take advantage of the savings as well. I do have a giveaway going on right now that I talked about in my Walgreens haul video I posted yesterday. It is to redo the Flues gift card giveaway. So you're going to be winning a $100 gift card. All you have to do is become a new active member on Flues. So my link and code are below in the description box, Bree Coupon Queen 21. If you signed up on Flues but never purchased a gift card, then you never became an active member and you're still able to participate in this giveaway. So you can buy a gift card to anywhere, it doesn't matter, on the app, and that'll enter you in to win this $100 gift card. So I'm gonna get with Flues and we're gonna pull the report at the end of today, Tuesday, because I'm gonna be announcing the winner on Wednesday in my Easter basket video. So definitely stay tuned for that and make sure you have your notification bell clicked. There's also a printable breakdown with a couple printable coupons in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. Now let's go inside and take advantage of some more great deals at Walmart. Here's an amazing deal on Claritin chewables. As you can see, they're very expensive, and this is gonna be a way to get it for like almost 75% off. So you're gonna grab one of the 24 count for $19.82. We have $8 coupons in the 328 Smart Source, but it's only for 1 week. This expires on the 4th, so you definitely wanna do this soon. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $4.50 back, making your final cost $7.32, which is incredible. So definitely grab this if this is something that you need. Here's an easy deal you can do on the Suave Men. It's $1.98. You're gonna use this $1.50 coupon we got in the 328 inserts. Final cost is just 48 cents. Suave is a bonus item on Fetch Rewards as well, so you wanna make sure that you scan it when you're done. Here's a nice, easy moneymaker deal from Shopkick. You're gonna grab one of these single Dove white beauty bars. They are in the travel and trial section at my store, and they're just 97 cents. I scanned it on the Shopkick app and it works, and when you purchase it, you'll get another 435 kicks. So altogether, you're gonna get back about $1.87, making your final cost on this completely free and an 80-something cent moneymaker, which is awesome. So if you're new to Shopkick, highly recommend getting it downloaded. When you download it and do your first deal, so if you do get it downloaded and do this deal, you'll get an additional $5 bonus. So this deal would wind up being over a $5 moneymaker for you. So my link and codes are in the description box for Ibotta and for Shopkick. Quite a few Shopkick bundles we're gonna do again. This one I've shown quite a few times. We're gonna grab a Gillette for $1.97. Then we're gonna grab an Ivory body wash. So let me go grab that and we'll go over this deal again. Then you're gonna grab an Ivory body wash. You wanna get the one that's just like gray, like none of these scents, but my store doesn't carry it. I've done it before with a different scent twice and I got the kicks back. The most recent time they did not give me the kicks back. So I submitted a ticket, but just giving you guys a heads up. So grabbing one of these and grabbing the tiny little Gillette that we grabbed before, you're gonna submit to Shopkick for 1,100 kicks or $4.40 back. That'll make your final cost $1.54 for both, or 77 cents each. This next bundle is on Dove Men Plus Care products. So I'm gonna grab this little guy here in the travel section. It's $1.47. This product won't scan on the Shopkick app, so I have to scan the full-size bottle, but it should work as far as getting your kicks back. And I'll let you guys know, I'll post it on my Instagram when I get my kicks back if I have any issues. Then we need to grab another product for this bundle. Then we're gonna come grab one of these Dove Men Plus Care Advanced Body Washes. So I went ahead and grabbed one. It's $6.97. And I have this $1 off any one Dove product that I printed. You get these when you sign up for Dove.com emails and like subscribe to their email list. They'll send you some coupons, so definitely do that. So let's go over this bundle. These are the products right here. Total for this is $8.44. We have the one coupon. We're gonna submit this to Ibotta for $2 back. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 950 kicks plus 40 more kicks when you're scanning them in store. So I scanned the big bottle in store and that way I could get those 20 kicks as well. So we're gonna be getting back $3.96 from Shopkick, making my final cost $1.48 for both, or just 74 cents each. Another way you can do it if you don't have the ivory, you can just grab this for $1.97, submit to Ibotta, you'll get back $1.68, which would make your final cost about 29 cents. So not a bad deal if this is something that you use or if you're gonna be traveling, perfect to put in your carry-on. Another Shopkick bundle I'm gonna do again is on the Degree products. So they're finally fully stocked with this Degree Men Recovery. It's $2.97, submit to Ibotta for $1 back. Then we're gonna grab one of the women's Degree Recovery massage bars for $2.97, submit to Ibotta for a separate rebate, $1 back. Now let me know in the comments, so I have like 4 of these at home. I haven't even tried it. Is this soap? Is it just like a massage bar? Like, I don't really get it. So I don't know, let me know in the comments if you've used it, what you think about it. I'm about to start handing it out to my family because I have like a million. So let's go over the bundle. After you submit to Ibotta, you're gonna submit to Shopkick. You're gonna scan them both in store, you'll get 30 kicks each, and when you buy it, you'll get 700. That's the equivalent to $3.04. What you do is you multiply the kicks by 0.004. That's how you get the cash value. That's gonna make our final cost on these 90 cents for both, or 45 cents each, which is a super cheap deal, great to add in when you're trying to hit your bonuses. Shopkick bundle that just popped up. Not really the best deal, but I want to share it with you just in case. You're going to grab a small suave 15 ounce for $1.54, and you need to grab a large suave that is like one of these, the 28 ounce for $2.86. Then you would submit to Shopkick. You'll get back 445 kicks plus 30 in-store scan kicks, which will be about $1.90 back, making your final cost $2.50 for both, or $1.25 each. So not the best deal, but definitely not bad if this is a body wash that you like. Here's an easy rebate you can do, no coupons needed. You're gonna grab one of these pumps here for $1.88, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.38. So if you need some soap, not a bad deal. Okay, so I'm at a second Walmart today, and we're gonna grab these Natural Instincts. They're $6.92. Then I'm gonna use a buy one, get one free coupon from the 328 inserts. That'll take off one of them at $6.92. Then you're gonna submit to Ibotta for $3 back each, giving you back $6, making your final cost 92 cents for 2 boxes of hair dye, which is incredible. Tons of different colors and everything available as well, so let's add this to the cart. And real quick, look what I just found, a little peely. There's also $5 off 2 and $2 off 1 printables on coupons.com. So I'll link that in the description box for you as well in case you don't have the buy one, get one free coupon. Now we're gonna grab some Betty Crocker cookie cups. I'm gonna grab this one, it looks really good. It's $3.34, submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back, and submit to Shopkick, you're gonna get back 265 kicks. That'll make your final cost on this about $1.06, so not a bad deal. There is a bundle, which winds up making it a really good deal, but I can't find those 2 specific ones at my store to save my life. I just came across these and I was like, oh, it's a cupcake kit, that'll work, but I scanned it and it won't work. It has to be the Galaxy one or the unicorn one, and I can't find that at my store. So let me know if you find it. It's an amazing deal because there's another Ibotta rebate and an Ibotta bonus and a Shopkick bundle. So I'm gonna keep my eyes out and see when I can do that bundle. Okay, so just came across these. There's no rebates or anything on it, but just signed back up with my trainer so I can get my life together with my fitness goals. But these are keto-friendly cakes, and I'm like such a sucker for cake. I love sweets. So let me know if you've tried them, if you like them. I think I'm gonna grab this and give it a shot, and I'll let you guys know. I'll post it on my Instagram if it's amazing or not. Another easy rebate is on the Fannie Mae s'mores. Has to be the 5-ounce bag. It's $3.98. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $1.98. So no coupons needed, and these look delicious. Okay, super excited about this rebate. I feel like it's not like the best deal ever, but I've been trying to find something like this because I get rings in my toilet like in 2 weeks. It's weird. And we use the toilets, obviously. We flush them. I have a softener on the house. But anyway, so I'm gonna grab one of these. It's $3.47. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it $2.47. So I'm gonna give these a shot. I really hope they help cure that issue. Oh my gosh, guys. So I'm just checking out and I see these, and I remember you guys mentioning for the Shopkick bundle that they have small bags that are $1. So this says $5.98, but I saw the size and I knew it was the $1 bag. So I scanned it on the Walmart app and they are $1. So what I did is I'm grabbing one of these toaster cinnamon things, it's $1, and one of the colossal crunches for $1. Submit to Shopkick for 1,700 kicks back, which is $6.80. So that's gonna make both of these completely free and a $4.80 moneymaker. I'm so excited. I also found this on clearance because I think it's like the cutest thing ever. It was, oh, I just did that. There we go. It was 15 bucks a regular original price, and I really like hoodies, and the butterflies are just the cutest. And it's on clearance for 9 bucks. So I stopped and grabbed that, and then I found this. So I'm super excited. Here's an easy rebate, no coupons needed, and I was actually craving a Pepsi the other day. So you're gonna grab this 6-pack of the mini cans. They're 7.5 ounces. It's $2.74. Submit to Ibotta. Both of these rebates popped up, giving me back $2.10, which is gonna make the 6-pack only 64 cents, which I think is a great deal. Then I was gonna grab just one of the Nice and Easy and one of the Natural Instincts, but at this Walmart, they don't have the Natural Instincts. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these, use a buy one, get one free coupon, pay $6.92, submit to Ibotta for $3 back each, giving me back $6, making my final cost just 92 cents for both, or about 44 cents each, which is awesome. So definitely do this deal fast because it is expiring in 1 day. So we are gonna grab the Clairol deal again. I'm gonna grab the Root Touch-Up right here for $5.88. We got this buy one, get one free coupon in our 328 Smart Source. That'll take off the full cost. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back each. That'll give us back $7, making our final cost completely free and $1.12 moneymaker. Okay, so this is my second transaction to complete my Ibotta bonus. Like I said, I did a couple yesterday. So we're just gonna take our coupons and scan them just like a regular item. If it works, it'll show negative $1.50. So I only have 3 coupons to scan, which is awesome. That one didn't work. See how it didn't say anything? So I'll have to have her double check on that. This one gave me an issue yesterday. So let's see.
Set items aside.
I think it's because of the value. So I'll have to have the cashier help me with this. Okay, I'm back in from Walmart. I had a major issue with that buy one, get one free coupon. I went to Walmart, a different one yesterday, to do a couple deals as well, and I'll show you that receipt and everything too. Had a major issue with the buy one, get one free as well. It took me about 20 minutes to check out yesterday, 20 minutes to check out today. So that was annoying, but I don't know what's wrong with that coupon. I don't know if it's because of how much it's taking off and you're at self-checkout and they need like a supervisor to make sure you're not doing anything crazy. Like, it's $7, like, calm down. I don't know. Anyway, so the managers had to come and that takes 10 minutes and then they don't understand and it's a whole thing, you know? So both times they had to like void the transaction and then go over to customer service and then like redo it, and like it was a whole thing. So you may want to use like the 5 off 2 printable instead if you don't want to deal with all the hassle. But if you want the additional savings, it's literally the perfect exact product. So they should put it through for you. So the first receipt I did yesterday, I did 2 more of the Clairol deals. I did the Root Touch Up and the Nice and Easy. Then I found I did a CoverGirl, which was $2.50 on clearance, and I had a $3 coupon. So it gave me 50 cents of overage on that one. And I got the Pepsi cans. So I only used 2 of the BOGO and the $3 CoverGirl coupon. Paid $15.04 out of pocket, submitted it to Ibotta, got $15.10 back. So this guy was free, just paid taxes. Then today's haul, I did the 2 hair color, the deodorant, the Dove, everything that you saw, the s'mores. I'm so excited, but I'm not gonna even open it. I'm not gonna even try it until we do like a family movie night or something. And then that'll be my snack, and that's it. But I can't even open it because I'll eat the whole thing because I suck like that. Okay, so yeah, the $1 coupon for the Dove didn't scan, so she had to put that one through as well. So last week we were spoiled and everything worked perfectly both times I went. This week, both times I went, issues. But what are you gonna do? Paid $35.75 out of pocket with a debit card or credit card, whatever. Submitted it to Ibotta, got back $14.25. I will be getting my $1 midweek moneymaker bonus, $2 for the March level 3 bonus, and the $3 Easter basket bonus. I completed all of those while doing the midweek moneymaker bonus. Then submitted it to Shopkick, got back, or requesting to get back, 4,175 kicks, which is the equivalent to $16.70. So total cost for the entire haul at both Walmarts was about $80 worth of products. So not the biggest haul, but $80 worth of products, still amazing. We got some food, some laundry, some personal care, everything. Then after all of the Shopkick and the Ibotta rebates back, my final cost is free and a $1 moneymaker, which is amazing. So that's why you know I love these Ibotta bonuses, and my Ibotta hauls are my favorite hauls. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below, let me know. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video and be sure to enter in the giveaway. If you want more information, and I also showed like how to get a gift card on Flues in my Walgreens video, so you can click this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.